The first life on land. How Earth was conquered. Around 470 to 400 million years ago, life on Earth reached a turning point. Organisms began to move from water onto land. Before this transition, land was a harsh and hostile place, bare rock surfaces, intense UV radiation, extreme temperatures, and no real soil. Yet life slowly found a way. Who were the first land pioneers? The earliest land colonizers were algae, fungi, cyanobacteria. Together they formed primitive soil systems. Fungi broke down rocks, while algae and bacteria produced organic matter. This cooperation laid the foundation for terrestrial ecosystems. The first land plants soon after. Simple, non-vascular plants such as moss-like organisms appeared. They were small, lacked through roots, and dependent on moisture, but they transformed the planet by stabilizing soil, increasing oxygen levels, creating habitats for animals. Animals follow plants once plants spread across land. Animals followed. The first land animals were arthropods, early insects, millipedes, and spider-like creatures. Their exoskeletons protected them from drying out. Vertebrates step onto land. The biggest evolutionary leap came from lobe-finned fish, whose strong, flashy fins allowed movement in shallow waters and muddy environments. These fish evolved into early amphibians, animals capable of living both in water and on land. A transformed planet, the colonization of land led to explosive biodiversity, forest formation, complex food webs, and eventually the rise of reptiles, mammals, and humans. The story of life on land is a story of adaptation, resilience, and innovation. One of the greatest chapters in Earth's story.